Welcome. Today we'll be introducing Fivetech's quarter-turn fasteners. What is a quarter-turn fastener?
Quarter-turn fasteners lock with a simple 1/4 turn. They are tool-free, flexible, easy to inspect, comfortable to use, and vibration-resistant, saving time and effort.
Which styles of quarter-turn fasteners are available?
Auto lock secures with a single finger press and unlocks with a quick quarter turn. Always lock stays secure and automatically rebounds with a quarter turn. Turn lock has an error-proof design and must be pressed into the track before it can be turned.
How do you install and secure the quarter turns?
The ferrule is securely mounted on the panel, keeping parts in place and preventing drops that could cause system glitches.
Where can you use quarter-turn fasteners?
Ergonomic and flexible, quarter-turn fasteners come in various styles and options. They are ideal for panels and covers, making assembly and disassembly faster and easier. Along with a broad selection of standard products, we also offer customization to meet specific needs. Widely used in aerospace, automotive, electronics, and IoT, these fasteners provide secure, reliable connections for quick, repeated assembly. Fivetech ensures reliable performance through a trusted supply chain that meets and exceeds industry standards, delivering safety and sustainability for various applications.
Upgrade your system with Fivetech quarter-turn fasteners today, where secure fastening meets easy handling. Contact our team right now for your perfect solution.